The Agile methodology is a departure from traditional project management. It is a more flexible, adaptive approach, prioritizing customer satisfaction and team collaboration. It places value on individuals and their interactions over processes and tools. Agile principles are built on the foundation of iterative development. The project is divided into small, manageable units, each comprising their own planning, execution, and review stages. This approach provides room for continuous improvement and adaptation to change. Transparency is another crucial pillar of Agile. Regular communication within the team and with stakeholders ensures everyone is on the same page. This open dialogue paves the way for trust, fostering a healthy work environment. The feedback loop is an essential part of the Agile methodology. It supports learning, growth, and improvement. Team members are encouraged to share their reflections and insights, contributing to the collective wisdom of the team. To fully embrace Agile, it is crucial to break free from the mindset of rigidity and control. Agile promotes flexibility, adaptability, and openness to change. It enthusiastically welcomes new ideas, suggestions, and improvements. Respect for individuals and acknowledging their contributions is a key value in Agile. It fosters a sense of ownership and commitment among team members. This respect extends beyond the team to stakeholders, customers, and users as well. Agile focuses on delivering value frequently. It encourages early and continuous delivery of functional products or services. By doing so, it allows for early feedback and the opportunity to refine and improve upon the output. In the Agile world, change is not seen as a disruption, but an opportunity for improvement. It encourages teams to be responsive to changes in requirements, market trends, or customer needs, even late in the development stage. Simplicity is at the heart of Agile. It encourages eliminating unnecessary work, focusing on what truly adds value. This principle spurs innovation, drives efficiency, and prevents wasteful practices. Lastly, Agile promotes sustainable development. It aims to maintain a constant pace that the team can continue indefinitely. This balance between effort and rest helps maintain high-quality output and team morale. In conclusion, Agile is not just a methodology, it's a mindset. It's about creating a culture of collaboration, adaptability, and continuous improvement. It's about embracing change, validifying individuals, focusing on customer satisfaction, and most importantly, delivering value. Join us on this journey and explore the Agile landscape. Empower your teams, delight your customers, and achieve project success in this dynamic, ever-evolving world. Are you ready to go Agile? Let's dive in.